tonight and you're not driving, you win the internets.
Everyone!
Somewhere around here.
All of the internets is too many
Mr. Soundman, in my hand I hold a cable that has the power to destroy brains. Actually, what I meant was that if he doesn't turn it off and I stick this in here, your brain will explode. And as I'm so wont to saying, it's in now. Check, check, check. A little bit more vocal in the monitor, if you please, sir. This is sound check. Thank you for coming to sound check, ladies and gentlemen. Michael Rainey was ill the day the earth stood still. Turning up the guitar. I had to turn it up. It was pretty low. Michael Rainey was ill the day the earth stood still, but he told us where we stand. Maybe a little bit more acoustic guitar up here as well.
Play test it.
And Flash Gordon was there in silver underwear. Claude Rains was the invisible man. And maybe if you could make the vocals brighter, if you could make me seem brighter, that'd be amazing. Oh, then something went wrong for Fay Ray and King Kong. They got caught in a celluloid jam. Then at a deadly pace, it came from outer space. And this is how the message read. It's science fiction. Double feature. Dr. X will build a creature. See androids fighting. Brad and Janet. And Francis stars in Forbidden Planet. Maybe, Nathan, maybe just a little brighter on the vocal if you could. At the late night double feature picture show. That was sound check. Thank you for coming. Virgin Carol was over a barrel when Tarantula took to the hills. And I really got hot when I saw Janet Scott fight a tripod that shoots poison and kills. Dana Andrews said prunes, give him the runes, and passing them took lots of skill. But when worlds collide, said George Powell to his bride, I'm gonna give you a terrible thrill, like science fiction, double feature, Dr. X will build a creature, see androids fighting, fucking and sucking, Brad and Janet, and Francis stars in Forbidden Planet. And also maybe if the guitar could be an accordion instead. At the late night double feature picture show, I wanna go, I wanna come to the late night double feature picture show by RKO. To the late night double feature picture show in the back row. Fuck the front row. You know what? I don't really care where you fuck. And the late night double feature picture show. Thank you, Tampa. Good night. My granny.
There's a monster that lives neath your bed, oh, for crying out loud. It's a futon on the floor, he must be flat as a board. There's a creature that lurks behind the door. Though I've checked there 15 times, when I leave then he arrives every night. Tell the monster that lives beneath your bed to go somewhere else instead, or you'll kick him in the head. Tell the creature that lurks behind the door, if he knows what's good he won't come here no more, 'cause you're kicking his butt at the count of 4. Good night, demon slayer, good night. Now it's time to close your tired eyes. There are devils to slay and dragons to ride. If they see you coming, hell, they better hide. Good night, good night, good night. Good night, my little slayer, good night.